What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Thank you all for all the support. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if this is your first time coming to the channel. So today we're just fishing. Just got about halfway through, about an hour fishing so far. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go see what we can get. There we go. Already. I don't know if I got a good hook set though, but I saw something big moving. What do we get? First cast, or first catch out there. First catch of the, oh no, that was a little smallie. Yeah, I didn't have him hook set well enough. Doggone. In the tree. Get out of it. It's like a bird now. Oh. Throw from really far away. First one, there we go. The first little fish. Finally, what we got? We got a smallie. That's what I call this, a smallie hole. Usually I can count on at least one smallmouth in this hole. Very cool. And on the white grub. So I've got some decent sized smallmouth in this hole. Gotta figure out what they want. There we go. Saw him come get it. I think doesn't even know he's hooked yet. I don't even know he's hooked. Golly, he swallow faded it, that's why. Wasn't too bad. Got him free. Nice little rock bass there. On the yellow. That's a belly flopper. Yep, got something. Oh, he's coming right at me. Got something, got something. Stay on there. Stay on there. There we go. Nice. Number 3. Ah, I got my thumb. I got my finger. Alright. Nice, another smallie. A little bit bigger this time. Give him the sunshine, show him off. Very cool. Awesome, that's our 3. We did it. So what time we got? How are we looking on time? That's gonna be the big thing. So got here at 9. We're at 10. So we got 3 in an hour. Not bad. I got about 30 minutes or so left. I'm gonna try to stay here for a little bit. Not for long. But I feel like I could find a couple more of those guys hanging out down here. As I say that, I got a massive snag, so I'm going to scare this spot out. It's my least favorite thing about snags now. When you snag, you got to go get it. We're switching and turning around, changing up our lure, see what we can catch on the way back. So, caught 3 so far. That's my goal normally in most videos. So we're gonna get on here, see if we can catch any more fish. Let's get on the reel. So I went from the white grub over to the hellgrammite, little tiny guys. So very, very cool. I'm gonna see if I can't find an Amazon link and put these guys on the link to the Amazon there in the description below if you guys are interested in these. I don't know if they have them on Amazon. You just have to search them down to find them, but these are pretty awesome. So we're gonna check them out. Got a bigger hook on there this time, so hopefully we won't lose any, but that also means we're probably gonna snag more, so we'll see. Oh, those little guys there following it right now. I only got one more of these left today, so I've got to get me some more ordered. Hopefully today. We'll see if I remember. Oh. Someone was taking off with it, so I figured that was it. Where that deep spot was right here. Yeah, we got something. What do we get finally on the Hellgrammite? Little guy on the Hellgrammite. Whoa, simmer. Little guy on the Hellgrammite. Simmer. Alright. Finally walked all the way up and past where we started. And I'm finding one little guy here on the Hellgrammite. Only got like 10 minutes left. All right, realists, that's it. We're gonna head on our way for the day. We caught 4, so a little bit over an hour hanging out here. We had to jet our way back pretty quickly, so I think that's probably what got us behind with the Hellgrammite on the way back, but we did catch the one little guy there at the end, so we got one on at least. So it is what it is. That's what fishing's about. Searching, getting out, having fun, and just connecting with nature, hanging out, giving some quiet time. So we got to get on our way though. Quiet time's over. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.